This has got to be a joke. I swear, every time I sit down to film, the pool guy just shows up. What does he think that I'm doing right now? Just sitting, some lights on me, a camera, a microphone, just talking to myself. Hi, Gary. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So Mother's Day in the US and many countries around the world is May 13th, 2018. So mark that on your calendars. As a mom, I now have some authority on Mother's Day gifts and what moms would actually like to receive. Because I can tell you, the only thing your mom really wants, only thing, is appreciation. That's it. Just take a second to think about how incredible it is that your mom grew you inside of her body. Like, so these are some easy, thoughtful, and unique gift ideas that I believe your mother will absolutely love. If you are new here to my channel, I am giving away a brand new MacBook on May 10th, and all you need to do to be entered for that is to be subscribed to my channel with the notification bell turned on, so make sure you do that before you go if you want to be entered. And with all of that said, let's jump into our DIY Mother's Day gift idea. This first gift idea I just absolutely love. I think it's something a little different, very thoughtful, and that is making your mom a custom recipe box along with your favorite recipes inside. So this is how I made mine. I found this cute wooden box at Michael's. Then I found these stencils. They have so many different designs and options. I decided to go with these floral stencils, and I got some pretty bright colored paint, and I just went for it. I've never stenciled anything in my life, so I was a little bit nervous, but it was so easy. I just dabbed on different colored paint. I layered the stencils to give it a little multi-dimensional effect. And then inside, I made her these custom recipe cards. I just put them on this pretty cardstock paper, printed out some of my favorite recipes that I think she will absolutely love. Yeah, I think this is something a little bit different. You can give this to your mom on Mother's Day along with some homemade breakfast in bed. I think that would be a fantastic Mother's Day gift idea because food is love. Next up is a really easy and I think different DIY that I personally would love to receive, and they are these shower steamers that you can make yourself. They're almost like bath bombs for your shower. So you put them in the shower along with you, and they dissolve slowly and they release an amazing scent into your shower. They give you some aromatherapy. So get a large bowl and put in your baking soda. And to that, I added 1 cup of water. And what you're looking for here is a paste-like texture. You don't want it too thin, you don't want it too thick, but this is the type of texture that you're looking for. And then to that, you add your essential oil. So I'm adding 15 drops of grapefruit essential oil and 15 drops of lemon essential oil. Once you have your mixture, you want to put it into silicone molds. I found these in the baking section at the craft store. They're these heart-shaped silicone molds. So put your mixture in there and let it dry for 18 to 24 hours. I just set these aside, let them dry for a day, and that is all you need to do. It is so easy, but I like that it's something a little bit different, and your mom can use these every day while she's in the shower.
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My head still bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap.
The next idea is to make your mom some custom soap. I have never personally made soap before. I've always been curious and interested to do it. And what I like about this is you can customize this for your mom and what she likes. It's really easy to make soap. You can go to your craft store or even on Amazon and buy a pre-made soap base. Then you want to melt this down in a double boiler. You can also do it in the microwave. I personally just like to do it in a double boiler, let it melt down, and then you can add whatever fragrance your mom likes. I'm going to add about 20 drops of lavender essential oil in there. I like having the little bits, just gives it a really cool look and texture.
Won't you stop the music, fade into it? Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it.
I added these into my soap molds and then I just let it dry, and that is it. That's all you have to do to make your own really pretty custom soap. I think these also would go along really well with the shower steamers if you want to package those all together and give those to your mom. I just think it's something that any mom would love.
Your name I'll never know as we get down in the road below. Caught up in an overflow.
This last idea is my personal favorite and what I would most like to receive, and that is a pick-me-up jar for mom. So all you need to do for this is get a pretty jar. I got this mason jar, and then I'm filling this jar up with little pick-me-up notes for my mom. I decided to make them in different categories. So I'm putting some of our best funny memories in there. I'm putting some things that I appreciate about her. I'm putting some of my mom's famous sayings in here, some of my best life lessons I got from mom. You could really fill this up with whatever means something to you. You can put quotes in here, anything that's gonna make your mom smile. So I typed out all of my notes, cut them out and rolled them up, and to make it look a little bit prettier, I'm decorating the jar. I'm adding some little flowers in here, and then I'm adding instructions. So on Mother's Day, I want her to open 5 of the notes. On a bad day, open 3 letters, and then open 1 note on any random day whenever she needs a little pick-me-up. I just think moms are the best at being there when you need them, to pick you up, to get you out of a funk. So it's nice to be able to return the favor. Future Carter, if you're ever watching this video, make this for me. I would absolutely love it. Those are my DIY gift ideas for this year. I do want to point out I've done 3 of these videos in the past. So if you're looking for even more ideas, I will have my previous videos linked down below. And if you're not really a DIY person and you would prefer to buy a gift or maybe do some kind of a combination, I'm also going to have a link down in the description box of some Amazon gift ideas for mom. I have an Amazon page, so I'll put a bunch of different ideas down there as well. And again, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you. And with all of that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye.